Anthony Cole, why don't you just go on and jump, just go on and dive in like your brother? He's so bad, man. Okay, chapstick in your pocket. Oh, he could swim? I didn't know he could swim. Don't you dare play. I ain't, I am not that mama. I got my electronic idol.
Make sure it's reloaded. You don't want to dip your gun underwater. I don't think they can shoot when it's underwater. And if you're trying to take in water. I'm trying to reload.
Stay at this end, boys. Junior, come on back a little bit.
Is it reaching with that 35 feet range?
Junior lost his gun. Wait, it should be like a timeout or something. What happened? Boy.
Free shot for winning. Free shot for winning. We're doing 3 shots. You trying to see which one like harder or what? You trying to see which one harder or shoot harder? Which one
Do we know what you're doing? You just came up with something. Just fall in. Anthony reloading.
waiting for him to shoot it. It's a consequence to lose it. I'll take your punishment. 1,000%. See, mine got, yeah, mine got, you gotta actually aim on it. You need skill for mine. Yours is a little bit. So what are you trying to say about my aim? You missed just now.
Right. His Anthony, your aim is your aim is like off a little bit.
I'm telling him, look, bro, all I have to do is move to the left. Are you serious?
It's still off. Wow.
To the left.
There we go.
Headshot? That's so cold. Relax, relax, relax. All right, bro, I got you 3 shots. Let's go. Where am I going? There we go. My cheat sheet. All right, reset. Go to the other side. Let's go.